Welcome to Understand the Math. Let's look at our problem where we're given a point, P of t, on the unit circle, and we're asked to find the value of all 6 trigonometric functions of t.
Our cosine t is equal to x, which is equal to 2/5, because our point is equal to 2/5 root 21 over 5. Our sine t is equal to y, which is the square root of 21 over 5. Our tangent t is sine t over cosine t, which is y over x. So this is the square root of 21 over 5 divided by 2 over 5. The 5's cancel out, and we're left with the square root of 21 over 2. Our secant t is 1 over cosine t. So we just invert our numbers for cosine, and we have 5 over 2. Cosecant t is 1 over sine t. So we'll invert our numbers for sine t, and we get 5 divided by the square root of 21. And then lastly, our cotangent t is 1 over tangent t. So we'll invert our numbers for tangent t, and we'll get 2 over the square root of 21. In evaluating these types of trigonometric functions, the starting point is to realize that x is equal to cosine t and y is equal to sine t.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.